Good afternoon po everyone. My name is Carl Tamayo from 12 Loop and our business is sublimation printing. Gumagawa po kami ng mga high-end quality na uniform like t-shirt, jersey, warmer, and shirts. And anong benefits naman meron yung aming business? Ang benefits ng aming business is yung high quality product, high quality materials, and freebies kada magpapagawa kayo na may kasamang towel. Ipagpapagawa naman kayo ng sarili niyong uniform, walang problema dahil kayo ang masusunod dito. And sa ginagamit naman namin na materials is quality and durable ang tela. Sa price naman namin, ang pinakamababa namin sa price is $350 for jersey and $750 for up and down, which is napakamura nun for sublimation printing and quality pa mo yung makukuha yung product. Yun lamang po. Thank you.